Hello, everybody over at River Valley Junk and Demo. My name is Josh at Midwest Valley Marketing. We're a marketing agency located right here in New Richmond, Wisconsin, helping businesses like yourself grow and expand online and make some more income. Bear with me through this video. It's a customized video for you guys, specifically showing how you can beat out your competition online. As Logan might know, I sound a little rough today. Haven't been feeling well, but I know you guys want this video and this information sent over to you, so I'm going to work on getting that for you. A little bit about me and my company. We are like I said, a digital marketing agency located in Richmond. We do social media management, website builds and rebuilds, Google My Business ads and promotions, GMB, Google My Business optimization. We do all kinds of things online. So I'm going to kind of run over everything right now. Normally, I like to keep this about a 5-minute video, and I'll try to keep it short and sweet. But I understand that there's maybe some investors in the picture, and they want to see kind of exactly how we're going to move forward and make sure that you guys are getting your return on investment and make sure we're doing it right. So with that being said, we'll hop right into it here. One thing I mentioned we do is website build and rebuild. I had spoke with Logan a little bit. There is a good foundation to this website, but bottom line, it doesn't have enough of anything. So this needs a total rebuild. Websites need to have content, tons and tons of content. Content is going to rank you guys up on Google and get you searched faster. Also in your content, it needs to be loaded with keyword-rich content, meaning certain keywords like junk demo, removal, and so count, right? Those words need to be put into all of your content and your text throughout your website, everywhere. Front pages, back pages, hidden pages, all of it. It needs to be loaded with content. So that's one thing I recommend we do is a web rebuild, as well as loading it with tons of content and saving that content properly. So that way Google optimizes your guys' website. One thing I did notice about the website, as well as your guys' niche, is there's not a ton of competition within the area. When I go to Google, I can search. If it'll let me type. So we'll search junk removal Hudson. First ones that pop up. This is that GMB I was talking about. We can optimize you guys so you guys are on here and you guys are ranking in the top 3 spots. That way people don't have to look far for you. Boom, you're right there. Easy peasy. We'll have a website button, a directions button, and even a call now button. We can have that all right on here. So back to your competition here. We have Johnson Junk Removal. Pulled up their website here. And what I mean by content is, stuff like this. We need to have it loaded with words. In Google's eyes, it doesn't really matter what it says or how it says it. It just needs to be loaded with content. So that way Google ranks you. Obviously, we still want a site that's accessible to consumers and users that are looking for your guys' service. And so that's where we make that, happy medium and making sure that it's legible and it's readable and your message gets across clearly and your service gets across clearly. At the same time, we're also going to do the SEO side of it, which is search engine optimization. So we'll do that. But then back onto their site here, comparing it to you guys, I like to use a tool called Ahrefs. Excuse me. And what this does for me is it kind of shows me what these guys have on their website compared to you. And they don't have anything. They don't have no data on their backlinks. They have no data on their referring domains, and they have one organic keyword. See, we'll click on this. This is what I was talking about when people search right here. This is what somebody would search on Google, trash hole near me. There's 150 people searching that every month, and the KD is the keyword difficulty. It's a pretty easy one. And they're in second position on Google for that. It only gets about a half of traffic a month, but not a big deal. So anyways, this is keywords that we'll be researching and targeting for you guys. But if this is your number one competitor popping up, I don't have to look far or wide to even be able to find this. If these are the first people popping up, this is going to be easy to beat them out. If we do a handful of backlinks, a handful of referring domains, we load you guys with keywords, no problem. No problem beating these guys out. Excuse me. So, easy enough. Also, like I said, we also do social media management. Logan said he kind of liked doing this, and his mom was helping him with all of it, and that's totally cool. I respect that if that's what you guys want to keep. we can keep that. But I'm just letting you know all the services that we offer for you guys. One thing you guys are doing really well on your page is you have all of this information loaded in. That's great. It's a fast, easy way for people to find you, know where you're located. You got a clear image of who you guys are, and posts. One thing that I don't see is you guys posting enough. So in our social media management package, we can post for you guys whatever promos, offers, services you'd like to offer that week. We can do it weekly. We can do it bi-weekly. We can do it monthly if you guys would like it that way instead. That way people that are following you get constant updates of who you guys are, where you're at, what you're doing. And speaking of what you're doing, this is totally up to you guys, but on my end of it, how I see it, your River Valley Junk and Demo. I scroll down here and I look at your services. You're a cleaning service, junk and demo removal. I get that. Demolition and excavation. I get that. Real estate. We do not need to have real estate on here unless it's something that you guys want to offer and want to consider making a clear message about. So you got junk, cleaning service, you got demo. Let's keep that cut, dry, and simple. That way we don't have to go too far with keywords. We don't have to go too far with researching and expanding out. That way you guys have a clear vision of who you are and what you offer. With that being said, I think I covered it all. If there's anything that you guys would like to hear more about or understand more about, like I said, I get it's a lot of information. Feel free to reach back out to me. I've already talked to Logan. I said I'm going to get this sent over. And I know you guys are going to take a look at this. But feel free to reach out at any point in time. If you guys want to use this information for yourself, go right ahead. If you want to put it in your own actions, that's all for you. This is free information from us to help you guys out. Otherwise, if you don't want to, that's great. Feel free to reach out to us, and we'd be happy to give you a proposal on what you need, what you want, how we're going to make it happen, and the pricing, obviously. I would like to give you a very easy pricing, but that's not how it works for us. We do a lot of in-depth research to figure out what it's going to take to get you guys ranked up. And I can tell you right now, it's not going to take a ton. You don't have a lot of competition online. You don't have a lot of competition in the area. So, anyways, thank you for bearing with me and listening to my hoarse voice and my rant on my nerdiness with the online stuff. But I do enjoy doing this stuff. So, hope to hear back from you guys soon. Thank you, River Valley Junk and Demo. Have a good one.